Today's recipe is baked potato soup. Alright, over medium heat, we're going to add some butter to our soup pot. And we're going to melt this. Now when this is all melted, we're going to add our flour, which is going to create the roux of our soup. So we're going to stir this until it is all thickened and mixed together. It takes about 1 minute. Then we're going to add our milk a little bit at a time, whisking it as we are adding it. Getting rid of all the lumps. Making sure the flour is incorporated with our milk. And we're going to continue to whisk this until it has thickened. Then we're going to add our cooked potatoes, our salt, our pepper, stirring that all in. Add our green onions and our bacon bits. And we're going to heat this until it is completely heated through. We'll add our cheese. I use old cheddar cheese. We'll stir that in. And add more salt and pepper if you feel like you need to. Do a taste test. Then we're going to add our sour cream. And we're going to stir this and heat this through. When it's all done, you can serve this with some extra cheese and bacon and green onions on top. Enjoy! If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.